What's going on, guys? It's Aaron back with another video. I thought I'd do a quick video just showcasing my FTMO strategy and what I've used to pass my challenges and verifications. So what we're gonna do a breakdown of the markets for this week. I'm gonna pick a few of these markets just to take a quick look at. How many have we got here? I'm not gonna do all of them. It's gonna take quite some time, but yeah, we're gonna apply the top-down analysis approach, which is basically us taking a look at multiple time frames in order to gauge or get an idea of where the market is heading next. So let's start with GBP CHF here. So the first time frame I'm going to start with is the monthly time frame, right? So let's zoom in a little bit here. So we're going to start with the monthly time frame. So over a longer period of time, stemming back from 2007, we can see that the market's been in a strong downtrend. But where we're trying to focus, because we're not position traders. If we were position traders, then well, for those of you that don't know, a position trader is someone that holds a trade anything from a few weeks, a month to a few months. But as I'm sure you guys know already, I'm not a position trader. I'm a swing trader. So I'm looking to hold my trades anything from a day, a few days to a week or 2 weeks. Nothing more than that. Anything more than that is too long for me. So yeah, like I said, waffling a bit there. Like I said, we're starting with a monthly time frame. So if we go back to 2007, we can see that the market's been in a decline up until now. But we're not really focused on all of this price section on the left here. We're focused on what's going on now. Like I said, we're looking to hold trades anything from a few days to a week or two. So let's zoom into what's going on now and let's see what's happening. So what we can see here, we can see prices trading below these swing lows here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. However, when I take a deeper look, I can see that price is broken out of this zone here. And then we've got 1, 2, 3. So the last 3 months, remember on the monthly time frame here. So the last 3 months, price action has been bullish. To be fair, this third candlestick here represents March, which obviously we're only halfway through. But so far so good. We're looking bullish. So the next thing I'm going to do, sort of number one, the first thing to do is to gauge the momentum. Where does the momentum look like it's heading? Where is the momentum showed us that that price is heading? So, of course, like I said, if we go back to 2007, we can see that price is on a steady decline, but we're focused on the last few months. So the last few months suggest bullish momentum. So what am I doing? I'm looking for buy positions. So the next thing I'm going to do is plot my key levels on a monthly time frame. These key levels, some people call them support and resistance. Some people call them supply and demand zones. You can call them what you like. For the sake of this video, I'm just going to call them key levels. So I'm going to plot my key levels. This is any level where we can see, prices come up, maybe rejected, bounced off. So yeah, we've got a level here. We've got this level here where price is currently sitting on. The price has just reached. Taking a closer look, we've got a level. We've got a level here. So we can see price failed to break above there, broke through, came through it, came up, retested it, broke again, rejected it again with that wick there. And we've got a level up here. Got a level there. And we've got a level, we've got one over here. Okay. So next thing we want to do is we want to drop down to so I've plotted all my key levels down the monthly time frame. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to drop down to the weekly time frame. All right. So We can see our key levels on the month that we plotted on the monthly time frame. Now I'm gonna get my trend lines in. Okay. Let's see. To be fair, it's all very choppy. So me personally, I can't see any trend lines that I like. Because if I was to draw this here, it's very messy. Maybe if I go here, can maybe do that. It's a bit messy, not my style. So if the trend lines are not lining up properly, I'll tend to leave them. So cool. So we couldn't see any trend lines. We've got our key levels. Also, what I'm going to do as well, I am going to look for any key levels I can find on the weekly time frame. And this time around, I'm going to use the rectangle box. So me personally, I can see this key level. You see this level here. Okay. Now we're using these levels for for targets when entering positions, as well as rejection zones and things like that. So yeah, I can see that level on a weekly. Let's see what else can we see. And we've got this level over here. So now we're going to drop down to the daily time frame. Now, looking at the daily time frame, guys, what can we see? So we can see price is currently sitting above this monthly level here, right? A lot of indecision going on here. You would have had a lot of buyers and sellers coming into this market. Buyers trying to sell upon this big bearish candle here. Buyers trying to buy upon the close above the monthly key level. So just a lot of chop, guys. So what we want to do with markets like this, I tend to, once I've plotted my key levels on the charts, I'll tend to leave it, guys. So with a market like this, I can't see any trade on. Price action is looking very choppy. And if price action is looking choppy on a daily time frame, because of course we get a lot of choppiness anyway in the lower time frames, but if price action is looking choppy on a daily time frame, you want to steer away from that, guys, because it's very easy to get caught on the wrong side of a trade, But yeah, so this market, guys. So how I would deal with this market going into the week, I'd maybe keep an eye on it, maybe come back to it on Tuesday, Wednesday. As of right now, it's looking fucking terrible, guys. It's looking nasty. So we're not trying to lose money. We want clear opportunities to make money in these markets. So any kind of chop and indecision, we'll leave that for the rookies. So now, ADCHF. Do I really want to go through that chart? Let's go through Euro Yen. I like Euro Yen right now. I'm actually long Euro Yen right now on one of my accounts. But yeah, Euro Yen. Yeah, guys, this video is going on longer than I had expected. But anyways, Euro Yen. So as we can see, we've got this wedge that we're currently sitting in right now. Price is currently, it looks like it's about to break through this monthly wedge. And if we do get a breakthrough on the monthly time frame of this wedge, guys, I would be extremely bullish on this chart. I'm already bullish on this market here. Like I said, I'm long already. But if we can get a close above the monthly trend line, the monthly counter trend line, then yeah, big buys, guys. But cool. So we've plotted our trend lines on. What we're gonna do, we're gonna go to the horizontal tool and plot our support and resistance areas. So zoom out a little bit there. Plot a level here, guys. It's clear as fucking day. Anything that's not clear, like I said, guys, we steer away. Okay, got that level there. We've got this level here. Brilliant. Brilliant. Else? We've got level here. The price rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, rejected here, and we've got this level up here. Okay, now let's drop down to the weekly time frame, guys. We're dissecting the markets right now, guys. That's what we're doing. So yeah, we've got our trend lines in already. You can see weekly trend line up here, clearly bullish. Guys, make sure you guys check the link in my bio in regards to the Telegram group. I'm going to be posting all of my analysis in there. You don't have to use it or take it for face value. Take what you want from it, and use it as confidence with your own analysis. But yeah, we've got weekly, so monthly. Like I said, guys, what did I say? I said we're looking for that. We're looking for where the momentum is at on the monthly time frame. So as we can see here, bullish price action. We had a pullback here, and 1, 2, 3, 4. The last 4 to 5 months, we had bullish closes on the euro yen. So what are we looking for, guys? We're looking for fucking buys, right? Drop down to the daily time frame. Now, like I said, I'm already long, guys, in this market here. And my targets are currently up at 132.497, which is 225 pips, give or take, away. So, guys, so why did I jump into this position? Okay, so on the monthly time frame, we can already see that price is heavily bullish. We're looking at the weekly time frame. Price is very bullish. And a big mistake that a lot of people make is they'll see price coming into a key level, like a resistance zone, and because price has been bullish for so long, they would say, oh, it's the price has got to reverse now, price has got to go down now. Guys, trade what you see, not what you think. I know it sounds cliche, you probably heard it before, but it really is that, guys. Trade what you see, not what you think. As traders, we're not here to predict the market, so to speak, and we're not here to be right. We're here to make money. The market's going up, I want to ride that train. I want to be in that position, buying the market. The market's going down, I want to ride it down as well. I'm not trying to formulate my own ideas, or not even formulate my own ideas, but I'm not trying to force my perceptions on the market. I'm going to trade what I see. Anyways, drop down to the daily time frame. So what have I seen here? So I saw why did I go long? So I actually went long over here. Right? You can see these wicks here, minor resistance over here. So I said, I think I dropped down to the 4 hour for this entry here. And I said, okay, cool. If I can get a break above this level, I'm going to be long. And what did we do? We got a break above, a retest, and a push higher. Price has also come and tested this monthly level. Price has broke through quite nicely. Price is holding the level quite steady. And then we're also breaking out of that big, remember the big trend line that I drew on the monthly time frame? We're also seem to be breaking out of there as well. So long right now. My stops are around this level here, the 128, the 129 level, and targets are at 132.497. So we've got a risk to reward of about 4R on this trade. And if you've watched my other videos, you'll know that I also scale into these positions as well. So as price begins to move in our favor, we move our stop up, we lock in the risk, we lock in some of that risk, we lower some of that risk, sorry, and we add to our positions. So guys, that's how you build, that's how you scale up a position, guys. With initial risk of 1%, if you're swing trading, you have the initial risk of 1%, and you're looking to scale into that position and move your stops up as price moves in towards your target. What you can actually do is add more positions and keep that same amount of risk. You understand? So I've jumped into the markets. I'm long in the markets. Price moves up. I move my stop up. And let's say initially where I was risking 1%, I've moved my stop up to a point where my risk is at 0.5% now. I can now add on another 0.5% risk in terms of a position. And when we do, God willing, get to that target, that's how you've gone from a 1% risk trade to making 10, 15, 20%. Do you understand, guys? So this is basically what I've been doing for my FTMO. And you know, we're allowed to hold trades over the weekend and things like that on the challenges and the verification. So guys, you don't need to sit at your screen 24/7, you know, scouring, looking for trades, because that's how you end up over trading. You know, you take a trade, you take a loss, you take another loss, you take another loss. Now your psychology is fucked. So, you know, guys, less is more, man. Be steady, be patient, wait for the trades to come to you, and you'll be fine. You'll be fine. But yeah, guys, man, I think that's all for today. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. If there's anything you want me to do or see, or anything you want to see, you know, just drop a comment, let me know. Guys, make sure you join the Telegram channel. Going to be putting all my analysis in there. And yeah, guys, man, wish you the best of luck trading this week. Bow.